we've committed to building 100 new G-class low-floor trams. They're more accessible, they're more energy efficient, they're more spacious, and they will be gradually replacing our higher floor tram fleet across Melbourne, ensuring that we have the rolling stock that is fit for purpose for our network and of course for the passengers that use it. These are trams that are designed by, built by and made for Victorians. It is a source of pride that we have 65% local content being delivered through the manufacturing of the G-class tram, supporting some 1,900 jobs, both directly in the manufacturing process but also through the supply chain.
We are incredibly proud as well of the high level of consultation with stakeholders that we have done together with Department of Planning and Transport and Planning to really take on board all the comments to perfect the design of the train and the tram to suit really the Melbourne tram network. Your government investment, Minister, enabling continuity of works, is not just about delivering trams and train. It's about boosting the economy, creating, maintaining jobs and developing skills here locally. The rail industry right here in Victoria that leads basically the nation. This project is a testament of that vision. 65% local content, 200 jobs here in Dandenong, around 1,900 jobs in the economy in Victoria. So while we deliver that great public transport outcome for the people in Melbourne. So on behalf of the workforce here in Dandenong and in Australia, we'd like to thank Minister for your support, trust and partnership. And I'm keen to see those trams on the network so that we can even be more proud and share that joy with the Melbournians. So thank you.